Well, the jobs market continues to surprise. Figures released just a short time ago show a jobs surge, a result of much stronger than economists had predicted. While the unemployment rate has remained steady at 5.1%, the number of new jobs created has come in at almost 50,000. Well, Rob Henderson is the chief economist at NAB Capital. So what are the figures showing us?
Good afternoon, Nicole. Look, the figures today are definitely confirming a downtrend in the unemployment rate and the tightening up of the labour market. As you said, there was very strong job growth, and one of the figures that hit us in the eye was it was all in full-time employment. Full-time employment actually rose by 56,000, whereas part-time employment actually shed about 6,000 jobs. But the trend unemployment rate fell from 5.2 to 5.1%. But the seasonally adjusted number remained at 5.1. So the numbers are telling us that labour demand is very strong, but a lot of workers are being sucked back into the workforce, and that means that the unemployment rate in seasonally adjusted terms didn't fall. It stayed at 5.1%.
We know that there's been a boost in jobs in the mining states. What does this mean for interest rates?
Well, that's true, and in fact the numbers show the change in employment across states. For example, the unemployment rate in Western Australia is 4.6%. It was 4.5% in the previous month's numbers. In Queensland it fell from 5.4 to 5.3. But one interesting fact is that the biggest drop in the unemployment rate was in Victoria, which fell from 5.5 to 5.3. So look, I think for interest rates, it's confirmation of what the Reserve Bank said on Tuesday, and that is that interest rates are going to have to go higher at some point. Now, here at National Australia Bank, we still believe that there is quite a good chance of another increase in interest rates before the end of the year, Nicole.
And briefly, Rob Henderson, the dollar's also shot up on the back of this news.
Well, that's right. You can't keep this Australian dollar down at the moment. It's gone up to a high of 98.45. It looks like a straight vertical line on the charts straight after the announcement of these employment numbers, and the market certainly is looking quite bullish on the Australian dollar at the moment, Nicole.
Rob Henderson from NAB Capital, thank you.
That's a pleasure.